Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, you guys are actually not really going to be seeing my face. This is probably going to be the only clip where you're going to see me, and then also probably at the end of the video. Pretty much what this entire video is about is my sister pulling a prank on me. She decided to film the entire thing and make a video out of it for my YouTube channel. I do want to let you guys know in advance that I don't know what it is that she used to record, but some of the clips came out with really bad quality. So I do want to apologize in advance for that. Also, I know I haven't updated you guys on Chico. I am out in Chico already. I've been here for about the past week or so. I know I said I was gonna do the move-in vlog and then I was gonna do a dorm tour and stuff. I am still gonna do that. I'm probably gonna combine the two together, but I am waiting for a couple things to fix in my room and stuff so I can actually do it, so stay tuned for that as well. Also, I know you guys are gonna notice that my car is at home because this prank involves my car. I know I said I was going to bring my car here, and I still am, but some things changed, and I will be making an entire video on why I didn't bring my car since the beginning, but we'll deal with that later. We'll talk about that later. But meanwhile, I hope you guys enjoy this random video that popped up because my sister pranked me. So yeah, enjoy watching me suffer.
So, I'm doing this for your channel, this is Kimberly's channel, and I am pulling a very great prank on her that she is going to freaking love. When I tell you guys, she is gonna fall for this shit so bad, it's gonna be fucking great. So I had a genius idea of making a prank on her that I was going to be selling her car since she is in Chico right now and she doesn't have her car right now since they're gonna take it to her later on. So I decided, why not prank her, pretend I sold the car. It's gonna be great, okay? It's gonna be freaking great. So right now I went ahead and I put in the sign right here. It says first sale, I don't know if you guys can see, $12,000. It has my number. Please blur that out. I don't know how I'm gonna tell her. I don't know that part yet, like how I'm gonna tell her as to why the reason is that I decided to sell it, why my parents agreed to it. I'm gonna figure something out. I already told my parents I was going to do this prank, and my mom was like she was going to cry, and I was like, yes, I know, that's the plan. It's gonna be great. Okay guys, so I have talked to my cousin Javier, and he helped me figure out a little something else to do instead. I still don't know exactly which one we're going to do, for the fact that they're both good ideas. We just have to figure out exactly how we're going to do each thing or whatever. But I have my great friend America, which she is really good at editing pictures, so I'm hoping she can help me edit a picture and put a big crash, like if someone would have hit the car, in the front area. So we're gonna make it seem like someone hit the car and we're selling it because it was way too expensive to fix it. So this time I put a new for sale sign because, you know, I still don't know which one we're gonna use, but depending on which one. This one is for $6,300 since it's broken. Okay guys, so my dad is home and I talked to him about it, and he said that he thinks this idea would be better, the one about saying that there's a crash in the car. So I'm going to talk to America and ask her to see if we can get her to edit the picture. I'm going to text her roommate and ask her to record. So far, this is the goal. I'm going to take off before sign sale because we don't actually want to sell the car. Yeah, that's what we're going to plan to do, and I will keep updating you guys once it gets real. Okay, so we have been trying to edit the pictures. They're not working because it is super freaking hard. I've been trying, America's been trying, and like there's no picture of a crashed car that goes perfectly into the car from the picture, so we can't really like do it, and it's stressing us out, but we will still try to do it, so stay tuned. Officially started the prank. By the way, Kimberly, I am getting you back for that video that you posted where you pranked me. I really thought I was going to die that day. I texted you saying, so something happened on Monday, and I'm just waiting for you to reply. Okay, so it has been about 13 minutes and she still has not answered me. Her roommate told me that she still hasn't even looked at her phone. Come on now, Kimberly, get it together. Okay, so she answered me while I was talking to my dad, and she even called me on the phone, but I wasn't able to answer. But right now I'm going to start screen recording, and I just replied. I'm going to say it's about your car. Oh my god, it's so great. So great. Okay, now we're just gonna wait for her to answer. This is literally so nerve-wracking, I swear. She's typing. Oh my gosh, she said, what do you mean? I'm gonna be like, someone sort of crashed into it and called me. It stopped screen recording because she called me. So I said, someone sort of crashed into it. She said, bruh, you better not be playing with me. I said, it's kind of bad, to be honest. We tried to get it fixed. But when we went, it was too expensive. She was so mad. She was stressed out. She said, answer right now. She started crying, I think. She hasn't answered, so I'm guessing she's a little bit upset. And she's typing. She said, it's a lie, I already know. So I'm guessing that her roommate told her, because since she started crying, she probably just like showed her and was like, oh, it's like a prank or whatever. But the picture does look a little bit fake and the photoshopped, like you guys already saw. Hello?
Why are you fucking pranking me?
I'm not pranking you.
Yes, you are. I know that you're pranking me.
How do you know that I'm pranking you?
Because I fucking know. Why do you have to do something like that to me?
I'm not doing anything.
Bro, I fucking know that you're pranking me and you know how it feels about my car.
How am I pranking you?
Because I fucking know.
Do you want me to send you the picture? I have a picture of your car.
I already saw the picture.
How did you see the picture?
Take a picture of it right now.
Why do you want me to take a picture?
Because I want to see the proof. If it's true, then it shouldn't be a problem.
Bro, I already have a picture of it. My dad went to try to go fix it.
How would he try to go fix it?
Because he went to a place and he showed him a picture, but they said that it was going to be too hard to fix that or something like that.
That's not how it works.
Yeah, they said that, and then my dad said that that car probably isn't going to work no more.
Okay, well, your guys' story is not adding up.
How is it not adding up?
He literally said that it happened Monday, and he said it didn't, and you said it did.
Well, I thought it did.
Well, obviously it's not adding up. Just fucking tell me that you're playing so I can hang up.
Okay, well, you can hang up. I'll send you the picture right now.
I want of it in real time.
Okay, then I'll send it to you right now.
No, I want you to FaceTime me and show me.
Okay.
Alright, I'm gonna FaceTime you.
Okay, bye.
I know the video ended kind of abruptly. After I hung up with my sister, I pretty much already knew that it was a prank just because my roommate was in on it. My sister had been messaging her and stuff, and as soon as I started to cry, my roommate did end up telling me that it was a prank. But the only reason why I still called was because I wanted to make sure that nothing was wrong with my car. I just wanted a for sure answer. But after we hung up, my sister pretty much told me that it was a prank, and I calmed down. But yeah, this is pretty much the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I definitely suffered with this prank, but I'm very glad that my sister brought up the idea and that she, you know, like brought up content for my YouTube channel. So thanks for that. But aside from that, I will see you guys next time I remember to record. Bye!